Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of YNAB, that's You Need a Budget. You know it's a game changer for tracking your finances and staying on top of your spending. But sometimes, you need a physical copy of your budget report for taxes, meetings, or just to keep things organized. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to print your YNAB budget report. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. First off, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account on a computer or device with printing capabilities. It's easiest on a desktop browser. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu and click on the Reports tab. This is usually on the left-hand side, right next to your budget overview. Next, in the Reports section, look for the Budget Report option. YNAB offers various reports, so select the one that matches what you need, like a monthly or yearly summary. Now, here's where you can get customized. Use the filters to choose specific date ranges, categories, or even accounts to focus your report. This step is key for making sure your printout is relevant and not overwhelming. Once your report looks good, hit the Export button. YNAB typically lets you save it as a PDF. If you prefer to print directly, look for a print icon. After exporting, open the PDF file on your computer. Before you hit print, double-check the layout to ensure it fits on the page without cutting off any important details. Finally, send it to your printer, and voila! You've got a hard copy of your budget report. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like formatting problems, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're using the latest version of YNAB. That's it for today's tutorial. Printing your reports can help you stay accountable and organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.